Don't be a stranger in the night. Take a chance for some romance. Don't cover your eyes. Willow trees know you better than anyone else. It's time you let your guard down for someone like me. I'd say I'm settled and pretty calm. I don't storm in the storm. If not me, then someone like me that knows what to do and how to take care of you. But most of all, that deserves you.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining us. I'm Nicole with Overland Explorer, and today's little video is all about enjoying a leisurely breakfast in a beautiful setting. So here we are today at Cutoff Creek, Clearview County area of southern Alberta, nestled in the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It's absolutely beautiful, as you can see. So today we are making sausage and egg English muffins. Quite simple. Going to use our portable grill and a one-burner stove. So my grill's already on and we're going to get started. Right here I have some breakfast sausage patties. They come pre-cooked and frozen, and we like to pack them up in threes. They pack nice and flat. As you can see, I've already vacuum sealed these. Same as the hash brown patties that we're also going to have today. Pack them in threes, nice and flat, and that way everything stacks up nicely in our National Luna fridge/freezer. So great space saving by packing them so flat. Anyways, let's continue. So these yummy sausage patties, they really just need to be reheated and crisped up a little bit. Just like so. We'll get those started. And what to do with this mess? Well, we like to pack all our food garbage in a larger Ziploc bag. It's the beginning of the day, so this is a nice fresh bag. We put all our food garbage in here for the day. At the end of the day, we roll it up, squish out the air, seal it up, and it just helps with the smells, because we are in bear country. I'm also going to cook these handy little frozen hash browns on the grill as well. They work quite nicely. And these were frozen as of this morning, and I had only taken them out of the freezer maybe a half an hour ago or so, and they're almost thawed. You can put them on the grill, frozen or thawed. Works well either way. Just like so. And right now I have my grill on high, just to get some heat up. And we're going to let those cook. And while they're cooking, I think now's a good time to remind you that if you like this video today, give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel. You will find all the links down below. All right, our sausage patties and hash browns have been on the grill for, I'm going to say about 5 to 6 minutes now. And they look like they are ready to give a flip. Look at that. Nice. Hash browns, oh, golden. If you find that your hash browns are sticking to the grill a little bit, don't fret. All it means is they're not quite cooked. They need to develop this bit of golden crust on them. Once that happens, they'll be easier to flip. There we go. So those will only take about another 5 minutes or so. And in the meantime, we're going to fire up our little one-burner grill. Get some eggs going. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil. I like to pack my oils in these nice Nalgene containers. They're nice and leak-proof. Great product. While that's heating up, that going on high, we're going to slice ourselves some English muffins. I'm just going to do it over my little bread container because of the crumbs. We don't want to attract too many squirrels, as cute as they are. Check my heat. Heat's another 30 seconds, so have some coffee. Enjoy the view. Probably a good time to mention how much we love our portable tables. We have a couple of them. They pack down into a nice sleeve. Very handy, convenient. All right, these are done, I would say. So I'm just going to stack them up a little on the side. Same with the hash browns. This one could use just a bit more, so we'll leave them out in the open. I have the barbecue on low now, because all I really want to do is warm these English muffins up and toast them just ever so slightly. All right, we're getting a little heat there. We can probably get our eggs on. And I only need 3 because that's what we're making today. And I'm kind of breaking one of my own rules here. I don't normally like to crack eggs on the side of a pan or a bowl because by doing so you're just simply pushing more shell up into the egg and you tend to get more shells in your food that way. I generally like to crack them on a flat surface, but for some reason these aluminum tables aren't, it's really hard to crack them on it, oddly enough, so I gotta break my own rule on this one. And again, we have some food waste here. I'm going to get rid of it, just like so. Eggs are cooking. Check our muffins. Going to give them a flip. Won't be long now. Got some orange juice as well. All right, our eggs are almost ready to flip, not quite. So in the meantime, I'm going to take our English muffins off and just give them a little butter. I don't need too much. And I'm going to put them back to keep them warm. You can hear those eggs sizzling away nicely. And the muffins are just starting to get a little toast on the edge there, so that's perfect. There we go. And now that everything here is done and ready for assembly, I'm going to turn my grill off. Give the eggs a flip. So because we're having them on an English muffin, we don't want them overly runny. Normally we would eat our fried eggs over easy with a nice juicy yolk, but because we've got a little handheld sandwich, not always the best. So I'm just going to bust the yolk with the spatula to give it a flip. That way the yolk runs out a little on the bottom and cooks a little more evenly. Oh, this guy's fighting me. just like so. Give them a mark it that way. There, and we are almost ready for assembly. Oh, can't forget the cheese. We do like a little cheese on our English muffins. Our eggs are done, and we need to do some assembly here. So they just have a little bit of give left in them, not too much. Nice warm English muffin. And just to recap a little bit, one of the reasons why we like this breakfast so much, other than it's pretty yummy, it's easy to pack. Like I mentioned earlier, a couple of the main items here are easy to pack and take up very little space. It's very important when you're doing extended travel. What a more perfect way to enjoy this view. So here we have it. We have sausage and egg English muffins with hash browns this morning.